Hi everyone, my name is Ken. Welcome to This House. Today we are looking at some lost footage of ours from a former house tour that we never actually finished. So this one's going to be a little bit different as we just look at some of the finer details that were present inside of this house. Enjoy! Walking inside this house, we're immediately greeted by a grand staircase. Now, this staircase was added about 20 years ago by a local artisan who has created staircases for many celebrities, actually. So, this is an example of some of his earlier work, and we can just see all of the attention to detail that's been paid into this. As we look across the banister, we can see how it twists and turns, and in a future video, we'll actually be seeing how these types of staircases are made by the artist who crafted this. There are also other features in this house, such as a drama mask that hangs over the dining room and over the steps. Going towards the back of the house, we can see iron stars on what used to be the exterior facade, as well as beadboard that goes out over the ceiling. There's also an entrance to the attic right here. This secondary staircase in the back of the house goes all the way up to the third floor. Now, there was an addition that was added onto this house earlier on, and this was kind of the workaround for creating more living space above the house without sacrificing square footage in the main house. And we can just enjoy some of these details and this aesthetic here. As we arrive at the landing at the top of these stairs, we notice once again these iron stars and a door that will take us to the stairs to the third floor. There's also an old window that has been retrofitted with a bookcase, so let's just enjoy this for a moment. Up on the third floor, as we look up at the ceiling, we find ourselves just absolutely amazed at all of the woodwork that soars above us. And according to the owners, this was all reclaimed from a local shop and is much older than the renovation on this house. In the backyard, the owner created a custom entrance to his cellar. I really hope that you all enjoyed the lost footage of this house. Please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you next time on This House.